Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Wicha Marcella. I'm student at the University of Bengkulu from English Department. Today, I want to present about my seminar proposal. The title is A Study on English Reading Habit of Student English Education Study Program at University of Bengkulu. Okay, I have part of the research proposal. First is introduction, second is literature review, third is research methodology. Chapter 1 introduction have first background, second statement of the problem, third research question, fourth objective of the research, 5 significance of the research, 6 limitation of the research, and 7 definition of key term. 1.1 Background. Reading is one of 4 skills in English, which are writing, speaking, and listening. Reading is one of the basic communicative skills, which have very complex process. The process is readers are expected to be able to comprehend what is being discussed, involved in process of acquiring grammatical structure, vocabularies of language, and the meaning. And then, people naturally learn at least one language to communicate with others, but they do not automatically learn how to read. Reading has to be learned and taught internationally because people will not be able to read if they do not learn how to read. And then, reading is an important activity of human in order to gain the information from the school books, which can help students to understand or to solve the problem that they found in the learning material. However, it is easier to understand the reading material that is written in the mother tongue first language more than to understand reading material which is written in other language, such as English. In this case, Indonesian is one of the countries which using English as foreign language, and English was put in the curriculum of school in Indonesia as a major subject. Some difficulties which are faced by some of students in learning English is that they do not only must to understand the meaning of the content, but they must face the new vocabularies and the word order that is totally different with the word orders in Indonesian. Next is 1.2 Statement of the problem. The statement of the problem is most of the student English study program have many problem in understanding English textbook because of they have bad habit to read. 1.3 Research question. My research question, the following research question were investigated for this research. First, how is the English reading habit of student English education study program at University of Bengkulu? Second, how can reading habit improve student English skill? And the next, 1.4 Objective of the research. To find out the habit of reading English among English language study program students at the University of Bengkulu. 1.5 Significance of the research. First, for teacher, and second, for student. For teacher, it can be beneficial for English teacher to know student reading habit in English. It leads the teacher to find out student need in learning. Moreover, this study will draw a wider understanding to the teacher that students are needed to be motivated to read more. One of the ways is by providing enough time and several kinds of books to read. In addition, the result also helped the teacher to develop a lesson plan in writing class based on their reading habit because the reading habit is significant influencer student writing ability. And then, for student, this research will be useful for students to understand and improve their skill in English. And It develops student awareness of their own reading habit and the importance of reading habit toward their writing. Having knows the importance of it, the students are expected to have a better motivation to increase their habit in reading English textbook. 1.6 Limitation of the research. This study will observe the student. The subject is Student English Department Study Program to see the reading habit for improve the English skill. And the next, 1.7 Definition of key terms. In order to avoid misunderstanding of the study, there are some terms that are used this study to be clarified. First, reading. Reading is multifaceted process which can be described at various time and developmental stage as a thinking process according Wallace and Larson 1987. And second, reading habit. Reading habit is the number of repetition in given time to read English text according Simanjuntak 1988. Next, chapter 2 about literature review. In literature review have theoretical framework and previous study. In theoretical framework have definition of reading. Reading is the process of understanding written text. It is an activity which involves perception and talk. According to Linz 2006, reading is a set of skills that include making sense and getting significant meaning from printed work. Patel and Jane 2008 also states the reading is purpose to comprehend the significance of printed word in writing symbol. It is an active process which consists of word acknowledgement and comprehension skill. And then, definition of habit. A habit is a repeated action which people do often and regularly, sometimes without knowing that they are doing it. It is a pattern of behavior which acquires constant, regular, often unconscious inclination to perform an act through frequent repetition, which is applied to any activity established during a course of time as a part of personality of an individual. Next, 2.2 Previous study. First, from Clark and Ackerman 2006. Second, from Brodus and Ivey 2001 and Renaidi 2007. And third, from Adetunji and Oladeji 2007. Next material is chapter 3 Methodology. In methodology have first, research design, second, subject of the research, third, instrument of the research, 4, data collection, and 5, data analysis. 3.1 Research design. The research will use survey study. Survey study design are procedure in quantitative research in which investigator administer a survey to a sample or to the entire population of people to describe the attitudes, opinions, behaviors, or characteristics of the population. And the next, 3.2 Subject of the research. The subject will be fourth semester are students in the English Education Study Program at the University of Bengkulu. They are about 80 students. And the next, 3.3 Instrument of the research. The instrument of this research is questionnaires, which is adapted from the book is Reading for Understanding by Schoenbeth et al. And modified by other questionnaire from other research. Example, Gaona and Erwin 2010 and Peirce. And then 3.4 Data collection. The data collection technique As a main part, there are 3 points. First, observation. Second, distribution the questionnaire. And the last, collection. Next, 3.5, data analysis. And the data was analyzed through SPSS 7.0 in order to find out the percentages, the frequencies, and the mean of the reading habits among the students within the tables and histogram. Okay guys, I think enough. This is my presentation about my proposal. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.